There comes a strange moment every year, a moment when the calendar feels heavier than usual. When December arrives, something shifts inside you. It whispers, another year is ending, and another chance might slip away. Maybe 2025 wasn't your best. Maybe you messed up. Maybe you were lost, distracted, or stuck. And now you feel this pressure, this faint guilt, this quiet panic. But listen carefully. 1 month is enough to change a life. If you use it right, if you stop consuming and start creating, if you treat every day as if the universe is watching you redesign yourself. This is the story of how the last 30 days of 2025 can make you walk into 2026 10 steps ahead of everyone else. 1. The realization moment. Every transformation begins with honesty, not motivation, not hype, not New Year resolutions, just truth. Sit alone for a moment. Turn off your phone and ask yourself a question most people avoid. What did I waste this year on? That moment will feel uncomfortable. You might try to distract yourself, but hold that feeling, because that discomfort is the exact energy that will fuel your comeback. Top YouTubers always begin with this, a self-confrontation that shakes the viewer awake. 2. The 21-day rule. Here's something powerful. 21 days is enough to rewrite your identity. Not your life, your identity. Because habits don't change your day. They change who you think you are. So pick 4 habits for the next 21 days. 1. Wake up early before the world distracts you. 2. Work out or at least move your body. 3. Create something daily. Content, skills, work. 4. Cut down consumption. YouTube, Reels, comfort. These 21 days are not for perfection. They are for momentum. Because people often say, I'll start in 2026. But winners say, I'll start now. So 2026 starts with me already ahead. 3. Stop consuming. Start creating. Most people will waste December scrolling, watching, and comparing. They'll absorb everyone else's life except their own, but not you. You flip the script. While everyone consumes, you create. While others relax, you train. While others spend time, you invest time. The moment you switch from consumer to creator, your brain wakes up. Your confidence grows, your energy changes. This is why top YouTubers rise. They create consistently before others even begin. 4. Work like every day is your last chance. Here's something no one wants to admit. We act like we have unlimited time. But imagine this. What if someone told you, you have 30 days to change your life or you stay exactly where you are for the next year? Your urgency would explode. Your excuses would die. Your actions would multiply. For the next last month of 2025, work as if your future self is watching you. Work as if you have everything to win and nothing to lose. Work like these 30 days decide your destiny, because in a way, they do. 5. The compound effect of small wins. Every day of December, do 3 simple things. Build yourself, build your skills, build your discipline. Small wins. Create big change. 20 minutes of reading, 30 minutes of workout, 1 hour of learning, 1 hour of creating. Do this daily, and by the time January arrives, you'll be mentally, physically, and emotionally untouchable. 6. Create a version of you that 2026 respects. This month is not about proving something to others, it's about proving something to yourself. When January 1st comes, you shouldn't be the same person who walked into December. You should be sharper, calmer, more disciplined, more self-respecting, more in control. Your future self should look back at this month and whisper, I'm proud of who you became. This is how champions prepare before the world even notices them. 7. The final message. Your December comeback. You don't need a miracle. You don't need the perfect moment. You don't need to wait for 2026. You need 30 days of seriousness, 30 days of discipline, 30 days of ruthless honesty. Because the truth is simple. Most people will enter 2026 hopeful, but you will enter 2026 prepared. And that difference is everything. The last month of 2025 can become the first chapter of the greatest year of your life. If you choose it, choose.